Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fit into tight gaps and use better poses in Meccha Chameleon. So if you want to hide in small spaces where seekers usually don't expect players to be, just follow along. First, start by exploring the map and looking for narrow areas, corners, gaps between objects, and spaces where your character can blend naturally. Next, choose the object or surface you want to blend with before changing your position. And after that, use the paint tool and match your character's color with the surrounding environment. And once the colors are correct, open the pose menu and test different poses. The goal is to make your character's outline look less like a player and more like part of the object. Try lowering your body profile, matching the direction of nearby object and avoiding poses that create obvious shapes. Next, slowly move your character into the tight space. And do not rush because even a small part of your body sticking out can reveal your location. And after positioning yourself, rotate your camera and check your hiding spot from multiple angles. Another important tip is to avoid hiding in places that look unnatural. For example, if an object would never normally be placed in that area, experienced seekers may become suspicious. So that was how to fit into tight gaps and use poses better in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.